Hi everybody, this is a short video on some cut testing. We're going to demonstrate today what happens when you stick a chainsaw into the leg of a pair of Breatheflex or Breatheflex Pro trousers. We're going to use 3 different saws and see what the effects are. We've got a top handle saw, a smallish ground saw and a larger ground saw. So let's do it and see what happens. Put my matrix glasses on. Okay. First saw, the famous, infamous top handle MS200. See how it goes. Okay, so you can see immediately, virtually, the saw was stopped, and you can see all of the guts of the trouser coming out. Chain well and truly blocked there. Turn now, have a look at the trouser itself. You can see the cut and all the fibres. But more importantly now, take the trouser off the leg. See, initially no damage to log, hasn't got through. If we have a look at the inside of the trouser, so the cut's just where my hand is, about here on the outside of the trouser, and you can see that there is 0 damage. So in that instance, this trouser is not letting an 020 through. Okay, so we've already seen what happens to the trousers with a 200 top handle saw. Let's test something a bit grunter now. We're going to take the Husqvarna 562XP on a 15-inch bar and see what happens. Okay, well and truly blocked it up. Throttle was on full chat. Oh, can't get the saw off the trouser. It's sawed in the stone. Well, that's going to be fun to unpick, isn't it? Okay, I'm assuming Halloween. I'm assuming, Meg, that that's gone through. But maybe it hasn't. Okay, let's have a look on the inside. We can see the outside trouser is a right old mess. Look at that gaper. Okay, so we've seen that the Breatheflex Pro withstands cut from the top handle saw, the Stihl 200. We've seen that it withstands the cut from the Husqvarna 562XP, the kind of medium-sized ground saw. I've got a 461 behind me. This is a Class 1 trouser, and it's not rated to a protection level that should completely stop the chain at full throttle running on the 461. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start the saw up, give it the big one, let my finger off, and as the chain's running down, then put it into the leg. Let's see what happens. Oh. Ah, that's nice. No, some fibres came out. It's actually pretty impressive. It's actually incredibly impressive. Look, it didn't even pull the guts of the trouser out, which is good. Okay, let's try it again then with full revs and see what happens. Okay, so there we go, right into it. Okay, so we can see right hole gape. Look at the inside. Okay, so we've got a centimetre, 2 centimetre by 2 centimetre rip to lining, but I mean that's done remarkably well, really, remarkably well. Just seeing what the outside trouser looked like. Some bits. That's pretty damn good. To demonstrate how the Arbortec trouser range stands up to come on, when you stick a chainsaw into them. This is to check how the bear me just a second. Everybody, we're doing cut testing to demonstrate. If I think too much about what I'm doing or what we're doing, that it gets like silly. Going FaceTime. We're making a short video cut testing to demonstrate what happens. 3 saws. Let's start with the top end. Right. We're there?
Yeah. Okay.
We're running.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.